Morning, Flosstube. It's Saturday, May 6th, and I don't know how successful this video will be. There's a lot of chaos going on everywhere. Yesterday, I worked on full coverage on the 5th. I got a bit done. It's a little hard to tell with all of these parked threads and whatnot, but I probably did about this much new stuff as well as filling in old stuff and going on a little bit further that way. But so this is A Stitch in Time. This is Aimee Stewart, and so this is about what I'm working on kind of right here. Yeah. Heaven and Earth Designs. I am stitching 18 count Aida, and this is 2/2. So stiff stuff, but it's getting softer. And once I got started yesterday, I was really enjoying what I was doing, so that was good. So I need to pull this out more often, make myself do it. But that's not all I did yesterday. In addition to working on my Stitch in Time, I also pulled out my summer stitch from Cross-Stitch Needlework. This is Children by the Seaside. This was originally summer 2016 Cross-Stitch Needlework, but you can buy the chart directly from the artist Joan Elliott. So I'm working on this, representing my 3 oldest children. I started this 2 years ago when I only had 3 children. And here's where I am now. Yesterday I worked exclusively on this blue tint. So all of this blue and some of that blue and the gray within there, that is all from just yesterday. So I hope to keep this one out and work on it just a little bit throughout the summer. Maybe see how much I can get done. So for today is race day, pardon the racing socks. And so I'm going to be out. Ooh. Yay, dropping phones. Awesome. I'm going to be out and about in the car. So I wanted to take something fully kitted. So I was thinking about pulling this back out. This is a Dimensions Gold Collection Petite. This is one I'm working on for my mother. I actually bought 2 of them because I wanted to do one for her and one for me. This is 18 count Aida. And I've been working on this one for a couple of years. It has been put away, but I need to work on it again. I need to pull it back out. So, yeah. Working on the cream on beige. Oh my goodness, was that not fun? Because it's a very, very similar shade, but that part's done. And now I'm doing more shading, more texturing. I love Dimension Gold kits. The Dimensions Gold Collection kits. The blending, the half stitches, the full crosses, all of it. I love it. I love the teacup. I am a tea kind of person. And this is my other option for the day. This was supposed to be a birth sampler for my middle daughter, but now mermaids and unicorns have kind of become the sign for my youngest daughter, Little Mermaid Warrior, and she will be 1 tomorrow. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Yes, you. So, not sure if I'll change directions and make this one for her. That was actually my middle daughter's idea, saying, well, mermaids aren't really me. She is princesses, so we shall see. And, oh, I didn't unfold this one. But so I've run into a few issues as per following the chart. And this is a Bucilla, Mermaid Bay. Bucilla, Mermaid Bay birth record. There's also a matching blanket that I have. But I've run into a few issues because she's backstitched and she already has a nose, but you can't see it. And I definitely did it as charted, but the picture on the chart shows a much, much darker color. See? So I think I may go back and just kind of figure things out. I I started this before I discovered Heaven and Earth, before I discovered the full aspect of doing your own thing, color conversions and whatnot. So I put it away because I was like, oh, this is so different. This is nothing compared to what I do now. And so now I see all these mistakes that I made, and there's one giant mistake. Do you see this? So this is going here. Does that look like the border's going to meet up? I think not. Yeah. I think I'm missing an entire section here. But I talked about that last year in another video. But anyway, so now I see all my mistakes, and so now I just don't want to do it. I want to walk away. But at the same time, I've never really walked away from a project before. And it is adorable. And it could very well work for one of my girls if they choose it. So I think I'm going to still work on this one. I think I'm going to work on this one today because it's kit, and kits are ready and easy to throw in my purse, throw in my car, and take with me. The other kit, I didn't run and go get it, was Baby's First Christmas. That's a copy that I have in my working copy that I have in my purse, and it's just a tiny Joan Elliott. I guess you could call it an ornament. But I started that on Christmas Day. Crawling all over the place. Sorry. Started that on Christmas Day. And it's just kind of the one I keep in my purse. So maybe I'll work on that. Don't know. Haven't figured it out yet. And I did promise a friend that I would pull back out the Time Traveler today. So I will pull her back out once we are back home later on today. All right, Flosstube. Happy stitching. Hope everyone's loving their jobs. Bye.